Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Stories of Manoj Naidu. So today I would like to share one of the scenario or the issue which currently I am facing in my working project. So the problem statement is the cache implementation part. So I'm currently facing a strange and intermittent issue in a memory caching in a real world production like environment. And the weird part is the cache works perfectly sometimes, and then suddenly it starts returning empty values and then fixes itself again. Means for the first hit, I'm going to hit the database. From there, it fetches the data and update the cache and return the response to the user. From the second hit onwards, since the data is fully loaded in the cache, it won't go to the database. So it directly fetches from the cache and return data to the user. In this scenario, we have the different environments like low level and high level environments. Low level environments are used by the development team and few small testing teams. High level environment is used by the clients and testing team. So it in local the cache things are working very fine, very well and fine. But when I pushed my code to the high level environments, when I deployed in the high level environment, after some multiple hits, after some time being, after some multiple hits, the cache is intermittently losing only few values. The values are getting empty for few values. Later again, multiple tries, the cache itself getting values. I mean, the fix is happening by itself, and again the vulnerability coming from cache. So the method which I am using here is in-memory cache, and the app has two instances. Cache is fully loading in the two instances. That is, I'm sure. I verified through the logs. But while reading from the cache, intermittently few values is getting lost. So I need, if there is any experienced developers or architects, I need your advice on this. Did you ever face any situation like this before in your projects? So what I am suspecting is either it might be asynchronous issue, like a asynchronous, or cache is not getting enough time to read and map it to the output. That's what few things I am suspecting. And one more thing is, since it is in memory cache, the memory is not a shared memory. So what happening in the logs means I can able to see only one instance log. The second instance log I cannot able to see. To make sure the instance is loading fully, I deployed my app by deleting one instance. So the app currently is running on one instance, even though the situation or the scenario is getting repeated. Code wise, in all environments, the same code we pushed in all environments, but it is failing in higher environment like G4, and G1 also it is failing, but when means it is taking some time. From right after deployment, around 2 to 3 days, it is failing in the low level environment also. That means when the clicks keeps on increasing, when the hits keeps on increasing, the cache is getting intermittently failure scenarios, means empty values for the few fields. So I need suggestion from the experts or the senior developers or the architects who are watching this video. I will give the link, I mean Google Drive link, which have the problem statement in the comment section. Please go through the problem statement once and comment your advices or suggestions to resolve this issue. Thank you.